Good evening, Professor. My name is Sebastian Rodriguez from your BSC 2010 lab class. The experiment I'm about to perform is the naked egg and osmosis lab. The purpose of this experiment is a clear presentation of osmosis. Osmosis is the passage of the fusion of water of a solvent through the membrane of a cell. The materials used in this experiment are an egg, a glass cup, vinegar, blue dye, and corn syrup. The control group was the egg that was put in the vinegar for 24 hours. This is the vinegar that we're going to pour in the glass, and this is the egg that we're going to put. So you put the egg through the glass cup. And open. As you can see, there seems to be bubbles already on the egg. Those bubbles are going to dissolve the calcium on the shell of the egg and expose the membrane of the egg as well. We're going to leave it on for 24 hours, and in 24 hours we're going to check how it ends up, if it exposes the membrane or what other things we can observe. Thank you. Good afternoon. Here's a 12-hour update on the egg inside the vinegar. It's looking like if it's changing a little bit of its color, it's turning into a pinkish, yellowish color. More bubbles seem to have formed on the outside layer of the egg, meaning it's dissolving the calcium, the cover of the calcium of the egg. It seems to also be floating. It wasn't floating before. It was on the bottom of the glass. Also, it looks like there has been foam covering the top of the liquid and on top of the egg. So we're gonna leave it here for a few more hours to see how it's gonna form and what's gonna happen. Good afternoon. As you can see, the experiment didn't work out as planned. It didn't stay as it didn't get how it was supposed to be. The egg popped and the yolk came out of the egg. This is something that we didn't expect to happen. It basically, what happened was that the vinegar rushed into the egg due to osmosis, and it caused the egg membrane to pop. This happens also to our cells in our body. This means that the cell did not use any energy to move through the membrane. What was supposed to happen was we were supposed to, after the 24 hours with the vinegar, we were supposed to take it out, wash the egg a little bit more, and put more vinegar. Then after that, put the corn syrup, wash it off, and then put the blue dye with water. But this is normal to happen sometimes. I've seen it in other experiments before making this experiment. But it was from too much vinegar. Thank you.